Now we will talk about raising exception. Now, one of the basic approach of handling the error or checking the error is you can use the if statement. But this is not the preferred way when we have the exception handling. So if any error happen, what we will do is we can raise the exception. Now, let's see how we can handle the exception with the help of if statement. So, for example, I have an age, and I say input enter your age. Okay, enter your age. Sorry, and so this is what we are trying to say. And now I'm checking if age. I can say I'm checking is digit. Okay, if it is digit, then I say age is equal to integer age. Okay, so it is checking for if the value is digit, then it is converting them from string, because this will receive the string now. So this will be converting to age to the integer age variable. Okay, now I can say if age is less than 0, okay, then I'll say print error. Excuse me for that. So age cannot be negative. I can say negative like that. Else what I'll do is I'll print the age. Age is valid. And then I can put the age like that. Okay. So if age is digit, then it come inside. Else, if it is not then I'll say print again error. Please enter a valid number. Now imagine how many if statements I'm writing just to check one thing. So let's run this program and see. Okay, it didn't stop, huh? I didn't save it. So let's run it again. And now entering the age. So if I enter the age 12, it is a number, it will check if it is a digit, yes, then it will come inside. Oh, sorry. It will come inside. And it says, okay, it come inside. It converted the age into a number. It is not less than 0. It says age is valid, and it will display the age. But now if I say, yeah, it is a number, but it is like -1. Oh, it jumps to this place. It didn't go inside. Okay, it says, please enter a valid number. Oh, this is valid number. Is a valid number. Okay, so this is a valid number. You see here, valid number. So it is going outside. Similarly, if I entered something like A as an age, alphabets, oh, so it goes inside. It was not a number, so it says, please enter again. Got this one. Please enter a valid number. So age is not a digit. That is why it again goes back to here. You see that? So, so this is how we're gonna. So this is not a. This is a naive approach. This is not a good approach to catch the errors. So what we will do is we'll do the same thing, and we'll put them into a try catch. Okay. So now you can see that how much simple we will have in the code. So I just check the error, and if I say, hey, if age is less than 0, I will raise the exception. Okay. And what I will say, I'll say raise and value error. Okay. Value error. And then I'll give my own error. Age cannot be negative, something like that. Error age cannot be. Let me remove this part. Age cannot be negative. So it is on one line now. So I raise the exception by myself, and I say, okay, if otherwise age is valid, and here I will do the exception. Exception value error. And by the way, if I say as E, I can get the error message in E variable, and I can print E. I can say print E, comma E. Like that. So let's try that. So now we are having short code, and if there is a negative part, then we are raising the exception. If there is anything wrong in the number, then we are also having exception to catch. So okay, so we are having some issue because we are not supposed to have excuse me. Okay. So now we are trying to enter, and what happens? Oh, it was so age is a string, so that's why we cannot do like that. So I have to say integer, so I can get the age as a number. And now I can try, oh, 12 is a valid age. Similarly, if I say -1, it will raise the exception, and exception with this message will be raised. Okay. And then it will say something that, okay, error and age cannot be negative. By the way, let me try if I can just raise without message. Can I do that? Let's see. -1. Okay, error. And so this is an error, but there was no message passed on to the. So I have to write this message. Okay, so this is must. One more time, and -1, we got an error message, and it is cached by the exception. And if it is positive, I got the age is positive. So that's it for now.